welcome to my channel. This is Siri. If you're watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to check all the previously made videos which will be listed in the description box, and also you can find it in my channel. So today it's Sunday and I had no idea what to do. So what we are gonna do is, I'm staying with my friends, so we're gonna go to IKEA right now. I have seen IKEA in Hyderabad, not in Bangalore. तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे कैसा है. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black gown, polka dot gown. I like this gown a lot, so I'm wearing this. And shoes, comfy. And I'm also wearing a Fitbit so that just I can count my steps. How much am I gonna walk? Because obviously IKEA, if you're going, make sure you're wearing comfy shoes because you have to walk a lot, literally a lot. So let's see you in IKEA. So finally we have reached after a very long drive. It almost felt like we came to a different city, and it was drizzling, raining in between. We came on Activa. We didn't. Easiest option is to come on a metro, but we came on Activa because we were stupid.
किसने बोला था?
ले सुना क्या? ये भी मेरी गलती है.
नहीं भाई मेरी गलती है.
नहीं मेरी गलती है. नहीं बाबा नहीं मेरी गलती.
And Hyderabad, comparatively, it is closer to almost all the places. And in Bangalore, no matter what, where you're staying, it's always gonna be like very far. Unless you're like literally staying next to IKEA. I don't know, like somehow it is becoming a comparison video with a vlog. So I think you'll get two things in this. A vlog and also a comparison video of Hyderabad IKEA to Bangalore IKEA. So here you can see same level 1 and level 2, and तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ना level 2 पे चले गए because ना मुझे IKEA का रेस्टोरेंट I love it, like मुझे वहाँ का खाना बहुत पसंद है. और इस लाइटिंग पे ना एक्चुअली मेरी फेस बहुत अच्छी दिख रही थी, तो I just wanted to shoot a video of me doing nothing.
मुझे नहीं पता था मैं इतना खूबसूरत लगता हूँ. क्या बोलती है तू?
So this was like locker room, जो मुझे पता है क्या में है सामान रखने के लिए, बट मैंने देखा नहीं है हैदराबाद में. बैंगलोर में मैंने देखा, बट काफ़ी लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी ओपन और क्लोज होने में. आई डिडंट हैड एनी स्टाफ टू कीप इट देयर, सो आई जस्ट वॉकड आउट एंड देन वी वर गोइंग फॉर restaurant where I saw like they have lot of Christmas decoration, like they had beautiful Christmas trees, all were decorated, and fake presents, gnomes, light bulbs, so many things. लाइन इतनी लंबी थी कि उन्होंने लाइन में भी डेकोरेट कर रखा था, लाइन के आजू बाजू. सो जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, हम लोगों ने भुक्कड़ों की तरह इतना सारा खाना ऑर्डर किया. लाइक हम लोग पता नहीं क्या है. चीज केक इज लाइक माई फेवरेट, सो डेफिनेटली वी हैड टू ऑर्डर, बट स्टिल इतना खाना कौन खाता है और मोटी नहीं होंगे बोलो.
Not bad. Now you.
IKEA's kids section has so many stuffed toys which I have no idea why. ले डायनासोर भी रख दिया. हैमलेस में इतने ऑप्शन नहीं होंगे जितने IKEA में है, पता नहीं किस वजह से. एंड उसके ऊपर से लाइक लिटरली दीज चेयर्स, दे वर सो क्यूट. एक चेयर सिर्फ 10,000 का, लाइक मतलब सिर्फ. वाई आर दे सो चीप? कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग जो सिर्फ 10,000 का एक छोटा सा चेयर खरीद के चले जाते हैं? हम इतने गरीब हैं कि हमको उसको देखने में भी शर्म आ रही थी. लिटरली आई वॉज फीलिंग लाइक आई डोंट बिलोंग टू दिस प्लेस. दिस प्लेस, like the kids section, made me feel so much guilty about my childhood. I don't know where I was in my childhood. और भीड़ तो देखो, लाइक यहाँ पे कोई मेला लगा है या फिर शायद फर्नीचर फ्री में मिल रहा है, पता नहीं. लाइक इतने लोग क्यों आए हैं? कुछ लोग तो यहाँ पे सही में देखने आए हैं, कुछ लोग सीरियसली खरीदने आए हैं, और कुछ लोग फोमो में खरीद रहे हैं. और ये आंटी तो मुझे धक्के मार के ही चली गई, और मैं भी इतनी स्टूपिड, इनको भी आगे लेके मैं जा रही फ्री में सोफा में बैठने और सोने. अब आई बिलिंग की बारी. यहाँ मेरी एक्साइटमेंट का मतलब कोई हद ही नहीं. सेल्फ बिलिंग है, एज इफ लाइक बचपन से एक सपना होता है ना, आई वॉन्ट टू सिट इन दैट शॉप, बी अ कैशियर. भले कोई भी चीज़ चुन लो, लेकिन एक बार आपको ज़िंदगी में ये करना है. सो आई वॉज फीलिंग लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू स्कैन दोज आइटम्स. तो एक दीदी आई थी हेल्प करने. मैंने उनको बोला हटो मुझे वीडियो बनानी है, मुझे खुद से स्कैन करने दो और हटो यहाँ से. और इतने एक्साइटेड में पता चला, लो एक्साइटमेंट तक बोली नहीं जा रही, और इतने एक्साइटमेंट में पता चला कि एक चीज़ मुझसे स्कैन नहीं हो पा रही है. तो फाइनली दीदी को बुलाना ही पड़ा, और वो आई एक एटीट्यूड के साथ कि फाइनली यू हैड टू कॉल मी. क्या फ़ायदा इतना भाव खाने का. और वहाँ पे एक ऑफर चल रहा था कि एक मील के साथ एक सॉफ्टी फ्री। तो ऑब्वियसली फ्री की चीज़ें खाने में जो सुकून, जो मज़ा मिलता है ना, वो खरीदी हुई चीज़ों में बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता है। सो आई वॉज एन्जॉइंग माई फ्री सॉफ्टी, लोगों को दिखा दिखा कर जिनको नहीं मिली है, एंड ऑल्सो टू माई व्यूअर्स कि देखो मैं फ्री का कैसे खाना ठूस रही हूँ। एंड देन जो कांच की आइटम्स और ग्लास या ब्रेकेबल आइटम्स थी उनको पैक करने के लिए देयर वाज अ सेक्शन देयर वाज न्यूज़पेपर्स वेयर यू कैन पैक योरसेल्फ एंड घर लेके जाओ बिना तोड़फोड़ करे। और रास्ते में हमें दिख गया ये स्ट्रीट साइड शॉपिंग थोड़ी सी, तो हम लोग जस्ट विंडो शॉप करने चले गए। जब आप लड़कियों के साथ बाहर आते हो तो दिस इज़ लाइक कहीं भी जो चीज़ दिख जाती है आप लोग को उतर के देखना ही होता है। सो दैट्स व्हाट वी वर डूइंग, वी डिडंट बाय एनीथिंग। So I came back home. It was drizzling. We stopped in between for a little street shopping. You must have seen some clips. I didn't find anything and I didn't buy anything there. But yeah, it was a little bit drizzling and we came back home now. I think I'll show you tomorrow what all I have bought. So this is officially the next day and I'm gonna show you what all I have bought. So here's like the big bill which I have bought. I'll add the prices somewhere so that you can know. First thing is I will start with the candles. So this is one of the candles I have bought. It's called Jam Milk candle. So it's nothing but a vanilla scented candle. I love vanilla scented candle. Like I remember I used to buy candles from IKEA for almost 99 rupees. This time they were expensive. It was around 200 to 300. I will add the prices, but this is like, I love this smell. So this is one I bought. And yeah, next thing I bought is this small tea lit candles. These are like these are some berry rush and they were also smelling really good. These are tea lit candles. We have actually used one and the packet, it smells really nice, but when I was burning it I didn't feel that it was like good enough. So maybe you can skip this one and actually buy the bigger candles. Next thing I bought is this 12-piece cutlery which comes with a 4 big spoons, 4 forks and 4 teaspoons. I think these are called sugar spoons. So this set I have bought, and I have bought a set of hangers. You can never have enough hangers, and I bought one of this, and I also bought one of kid set because I have few tops which are like spaghetti tops and all, so these will actually set better. So if you also have like spaghetti tops and you can try like the kids hangers, this will be better. And next thing I bought is actually it's a toothbrush holder. I think, yes, it's a toothbrush holder, but I have bought it so that I can put my makeup brushes in it. It is very lightweight, so I might have to put some stones like the pebbles and all to make it little bit heavy, but that's what I have bought it for. And this was also very cheap. With the candles I have bought this tea light candle holders. So these all came like 4 set. It came for 99 rupees I believe. I'll still add the prices, but these were like very cheap. What you can do is you can take out this one piece and put one tea light candle in it. It will look really beautiful. That is one thing. And the next thing I have bought this spice jar. These are of glass and has, I thought this is a steel cap, but it's a plastic one, but it's fine. These are like 4 set spice jar. And next thing what we have bought is like some cutlery. So this is how we packed it. Like you must have seen in the previous clip, there were like papers there for you to actually, you can pack anything there. If you are carrying some breakable items or glass ones. So this is how we have packed. And like we have bought 4 small plates, 6 big plates. These are like proper dinner plates. These were on sale. Like one plate costed us around 69 rupees. Generally these plates cost like almost 200 to 300 rupees. I know, because these are not plastic, these are proper ceramic ones. So these are breakable and they are actually better than food grade plastic, that's why. And 4 big bowls, everything came for 69 rupees. Like one plate or one bowl was for 69. And also 6 small bowls. I wish we had glasses also, but we didn't buy glasses. Actually, I just moved, so that's why I bought that. And this is one more thing I found. It's like a shoe brush. It's a shoe cleaner brush. So it has one bigger brush and one smaller brush. It's a set of two. Actually, I had something like this, and now I've lost it. So I think this was good. Yeah, that's it. I have bought, and this is the free stuff which we gathered. I think if you have visited IKEA, you must have seen. They have the tapes to measure the furniture. It's made of paper, but it's really good tape if you just need it for just for the time being, and it's free, so it's always a good one to take. So that's it for the video. If you liked it, please hit on the like button and show me your support. Give me lots of love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye. Love you all.